In this video, I will talk about the basic usage of intelligent OCR. The first one is data processing setting. This is a function that allows you to add some processing and output instead of outputting the character as they are read to CSV. To output a combination of characters appearing in different items. For example, it is gradually setting to output such character in such cases as merging and conditioning various flags, etc. There are 29 types of this data processing in all, and you can set them in order by combining them. Next, entry setting is a function that can be used to reduce the man hour of entry by skipping the man hour, even if the item with high reading confidence of AI is high. As you see, the full track is written on the left side like this. In this case, all items are set as an entry, but if you set it in the quick track on the right side, you can skip the entry for item with reading confidence of 99.6% or more. Since the reading confidence level of 99.6% or higher is set quite high, it often fits with blank item rather than the item with character written on them. By the way, if it is 99.6% or more, it will be green line on the entry screen, but if it is 99.6% or less, a red line will appear in the item of entry screen. Next, the image correction setting will be a function that can adjust the color and the noise of the form. The next one is CSV setting, which allows you to change the CSV file name, date, unit name, etc. I often make the column that I use only the data processing. In many cases, the setting that one is not output to CSV is used. I will use a place called CSV column discard. Now we have the coordinate confirmation, which is the function that allows you to confirm whether the frame has been set correctly. For example, there are many people who use it when setting is as a group in the tabular form. The number of lines set well and the number of lines in the actual form are different, and it may happen that the reading frame is mid-aligned. After setting in a group, you can confirm that the frame fits correctly from the coordinate confirmation. The red frame will tell you if the frame fits. Next is download setting file. If you click here, you can download the setting of this form in the format of Excel file. So when the setting don't work, you may send us this Excel file. Then the entry process is executed. In that case, please download and use it Excel file. To open the Excel file, I click on the new image called Create Document. But since there is a place called From the Setting file on the right side, click here to upload this Excel file, and the setting will be replaced again. Last but not least, image replacement is the same as before. You can replace the image with the same setting. It's almost similar until now, but the layouts are different from the only ones. In other cases, even if you do not create the setting from the scratch, you can use it image replacement here if you want to fine-tune only the part that is different from the layout.